Oh, hello there, landlubs. Okay, I know, I've been lacking. I've missed a few days. I'm sorry. We are on page 52. I'm sorry. Okay. I do believe he's drinking out of a cannonball. How that? Wow, this is a very bad circle. Wow, that's a circle apparently, guys. That's how I draw circles. It's easier when I can turn this, but you know, you're watching me. So, you know. Let's use the lips. This is a drinking the cannonball. And it's the nostril. Can't really see this eye. You can see a little bit of eyebrow. That's about it. The other eye, on the other hand, ooh, is looking right at the camera. That's the eyebrow song. Decided. And then the hair. Oh yeah. Oh, this is turning out pretty well actually. I don't know why I didn't do one the last 2 days. I just kind of let time get away from me. It's got a little bit of stubble. But I'm going to try and do again. Try and get it back to daily again. I enjoy doing these. I don't know why I wouldn't want to do one. I don't know. It's the ear. The back of his head. Close enough. And there's a neck goes down there, and the dip. And he's wearing a waistcoat. That's not wearing a jacket. Ooh, posh night out. And he's wearing a t-shirt underneath there. Oh, men can't dress them right, can you? I kind of messed up this bottom bit by drawing the jacket down too low. Although it's missing 2 fingers, and the other 2 fingers are holding up this oddly shaped ball I have drawn. And because I've drawn so many lines, and you can't see the fingers. Oh well, and then it's got that thing going around it. Oh wow. So how dare you drink from another pirate's cannonball? I feel betrayed and cheated on. How dare you? 52. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Not going to make any promises because I don't know where my schedule is at the moment. It's all over. It's like, well, it's like that. Well, that does to a ship, you know. Anyway, if you're new to this, please subscribe, comment, and share. And like I said, I guess I'll see you next time. If you want me to draw you, by the way, comment below. Bye.